If you're a dad who wants to feel strong, fit, and pain-free again without flipping your life upside down, you're in the right place. I'm Brando, sports scientist, gym owner, dad, and I created DadWodz after realizing how hard it was to stay in shape once life got, well, real. Because here's what happens to most of us. Time disappears, old injuries creep back in, discipline fades, and all the fitness advice that used to work no longer fits your reality. Most dads fall into two traps. Number one, doing nothing because they think there's no time and it's not worth it. Two, doing too much. They smash themselves with HIIT and end up injured or burnt out. That's where DadWodz is different. It's a smarter system to rebuild your physique, fitness, and flexibility around your life, not against it. Here's how it works. Start by choosing the track based on your setup. If you've got Bodyweight Dad, Dumbbell Dad, Functional Dad, Metcon Dad, and Minimal Dad, which is the track that you do if you don't have time to train. So make sure you at least get this one in. It's a quick workout you can do from anywhere so that you can at least get something in every day. Plus there's a nutrition track with meal plans and ideas. Inside each track you'll find structured sessions with video tutorials, score tracking and progressions, a clear system to level up over time, and the ability to chat with your coaches and other dads on the same path. This is not a boot camp, it's not a random PDF, and it's not a 25-year-old influencer's plan who never had a real job or a kid. This is for real dads who want to look better, feel better, move better without pretending they've got 10 hours a week to train. So here's what to do next. Choose your track, read through the program so you know exactly what you're in for, and then just get something in. Don't overthink it, don't try and be perfect, just start, show up, do the work, hold the standard. If you need to make the program shorter, there's options. You've taken the first step, let's build from here. Welcome to DadWodz, let's get to work.